Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
DGP jong kajela Dr. LR Bishnoi Leit ya kijat Madanrting bat hatem basung ban ya kendu iki bria ki badan hasilen ter surok ban pensuthu halor ka jingma jong Droks shwa bu Leit ya kijat DGP ulai kendu shwa ya kinoi lam shnong jong kini kishnong bat kumju ru ya kiseng long kme ban ya kran halor ka jingwan jong ban halor ka jing Kynrei Droks hakani ka thany haba kran chikilap thai kubor DGP uloong ba ka jingwan jong ka dei namar ba yo jing tem ba Droks ula Kynrei bha ki thany Madanrting ban nakata kadaw ukwa banwan jingo hi dala die yakini ka jaka bat ban pensuthu ru ya ka jingma jong Droks.
Madanrting area is sensitive area inhabited by many communities like Mizo, Kuki, Mar, Nepali, Biharis, Khasis. So we were getting some complaint about the drug trafficking cases and DPS cases here. So we have decided to interact with the community leaders, Darbar Shnong, Rongba Shnong and Rongba Dongs and other young associations of various communities. Women also participated into this event. And now I will go and see the areas and understand the dynamics of the crimes here and also familiarize myself with the area. So meeting was successful, people were very cooperative and many people want that such more interaction meetings should be organized in the localities. 5,000 and you are there, you are here right from the beginning. Okay, you are born and brought up here only. You have cordial relation with all other communities? No problem? Okay. So very good. Mostly otherwise safe. So, what are you doing here? Yes. Enjoying free time? Enjoying free time? Okay, okay. In this shop only, you have your own motorcycle? Yeah, oh yeah. This is your motorcycle? Oh, and what are you doing? You are studying? Yeah. Where?
St. John.
St. John College or school?
School.
Which class?
10.
Class 10?
Yeah.
Class 10 and you are driving motorcycle? Very good. When we were in class 10, we were not having even bicycle. And you are having motorcycle. See?
We are lucky.
You are lucky. but don't do any illegal things, okay? You can do whatever you want to do, but only positive things. Stay away from drugs. In your locality, drug is a problem? I was told, Madanrting area.
I don't know about this one.
You don't know at all. And in your college also no problem? So you are playing some sports?
Yeah,
Which sports?
basketball.
Basketball. Very good. And what about you?
Even I play basketball.
Where?
Even I play basketball.
You play basketball.
From
And
same school?
you have your own motorcycle?
No.
So you are wearing helmet now?
I came with him.
So you came with him. So you are enjoying free ride with him. Okay. And what about you?
Even me, I play basketball.
You play basketball. And which class you are?
Last night.
Class 9. Very good. Keep it up. Encourage others, friends also to play sports. And what about you? Come here. What about you? Where are you studying? Same. St. John's College. Same school. Same school. And you are playing basketball. What about you? You are working here? You are working here. And you are residing here? And you are Mizo or Khasi? Okay, Tripura. You are from Tripura side.
From Assam.
From which area of Assam? Karimganj. But you are working here. Okay. So please stay away from drugs and other things, okay? Eh? We are creating awareness about drugs in your locality and seeking cooperation of people. No problem with that. Eh? Have you visited police station? Try to visit police station sometimes. Try to visit police station and understand how our police is functioning, how police personnel are doing their duty. Take your friend there. Eh? And don't waste so much fuel. Your father is giving free fuel to you. So from where you are purchasing? You are not earning any money. So your father is giving you fuel. So fuel is there only for essential purpose. Eh? Don't enjoy free ride, okay? Okay, thank you.